I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
It's been a couple nice days, so I decided to go outside and cut and shape these levers using a jigsaw. And now we'll move back to the vise and do some shaping. Okay, now we'll put on a couple coats of exterior latex and start working on the throne. Okay, now I've set up a stop block on my radial arm saw so I can cut a whole bunch of blocks about 3 3/8 to 3.5 inches. Need about 6 of them. Okay, I've reset my stop block, and now I need 2 more at 4.5 inches. Okay, now we'll start a little assembly of the throne base. Start by screwing in these blocks. Okay, the seat assembly and the main support are just block on the bottom, support, block on top with a piece on either side to hold it together. Then we just drill it out and put in a couple screws. Okay, so we drilled a 3/8 inch hole through here and through here. Put in a 3/8 inch dowel rod, secured it with a screw underneath, and now we can place the seat on top and it will pivot. We'll place our throne on top here and we'll do some painting. So let's get the throne mounted. Okay, here's the little throne I put on it. Got a nice rounded bevel on the front and all the edges are taken care of. I had a 2x10 I was going to put on here, but it cracked when I cut it, so we went with this 2x6. Now what we need to do is assemble this and paint it all. Okay, now that everything is being painted and drying, let's start making the bucket. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch plywood I got left over from another project, and we'll start by making a 6-inch cut. Okay, now we'll move over to the radial arm saw and make 2 cuts, one at 6 and one at 4. And now we'll cut 2 more pieces out of the scrap, 4.5 inches. Okay, this is going to be our shovel. Here's the bevel's front. Side piece will go on like this, but it needs to be cut at an angle from here to here. So I'm going to do that on the table saw. I'll use my miter gauge, but I'm just going to do it by eye. Okay, what I'll do is I'll use the lines in my tabletop to line up these 2 corners, and that'll give me my angle that I need to cut it at. Pretty close match. And now we'll just use glue and some brads to hold it all together. and a couple coats of paint will finish it off after we sand it. Okay, so we got everything painted up with a couple coats of exterior latex. Now it's time to put things together. So first we got the base. Now we'll put the center support in. Now I need to finish putting the throne on. There we go. Now we'll switch to a different bench and assemble all the levers and other controls. Okay, so we got it sitting on another table, give us more room. Let's start by assembling these three pieces. Okay, so that's working just fine. Happy with that. So now we'll work on putting the bucket right there on the end. Okay, now we'll do one more little test to see how well it works. So we've got, bring it up, out, down, and digging. I think the grandkids will have fun with this. Thanks for watching.